Hello guys, greetings. My name is Moin. I'm an electrical engineer. I have more than 10-year experience in electrical field and also have experience of AutoCAD designing. In previous lectures, we have studies about the basic settings of AutoCAD, and then further we study about the line type, what are the different methods to draw the line, and after that we studied about the polyline, and I taught you difference between the line and the polyline, and further we study about the point command and what is the use of the point command. Today we will study about the two most important commands of AutoCAD, which is rectangular and circle. I will show you how to draw circle and rectangular with different methods, and also told you how to give a dimension or draw a circle or rectangular with a specific dimension and how to measure that dimensions. So guys, please start. Let's have a start. Please type on keyboard REC and press enter. When you press enter, go at bottom in this command bar, you can see it is saying you specify first corner point. I'm giving it 1 point on the workspace. Now you go at bottom, it is asking specify the other point. I am going to click here. Here you can see I have draw a rectangular. In the similar way, go at top menu. Here you select the draw menu. In below draw menu you can see the option of rectangular. Click on rectangular. Similarly, first you will give the first point and then the end point. In this way you can draw a rectangular. The third method, here in this menu, in a draw menu, you can see the option of rectangular. Click on rectangular, and now click on first point and then the second point. In this way, these are the three methods in which you can draw a rectangular. Now if you want to draw a rectangular with a specific length and width, if you want to draw a rectangular with a length and width of 6 feet by 4 feet, simply take the command of rectangular. I am using the command REC, enter, specify the first point. Now if you want to draw the line, if you want to draw a rectangular of 4 feet by 6 feet, go at the bottom in command line. You can see specify the other corner or point or area or dimension or rotation. So I want to give it dimension of 6 feet by 4 feet. Simply click on D, press D and press enter. Now I am giving it the dimension in x-axis. Why? The AutoCAD always take the first dimension in x-axis, and the second dimension you will give, it will take in y-axis or vertical wise. So in x-axis I am giving the dimension of 4 feet. I press enter, and in y-axis I am giving it the dimension of 8 feet and press enter. Here you can see I have drawn a rectangular of 4 feet by 8 feet. Now if you want to measure the dimensions, that the dimensions are exactly what you have drawn, go at top menu. Here is, you click on the dimension. You can select the quick dimension or linear dimension. I am clicking on the linear dimension. Now click at first corner point and the second corner point, and here you can see I have selected first corner point and then second corner point, and you can see this dimension is shown. And likewise same, I am going to measure its height. Again go to dimension, click on linear, first corner point select, then second corner point select, and here you can see I have drawn a 4 feet by 8 feet rectangular. Similarly, you can change or edit the properties of this rectangular. You can change the color, As you can see in above this menu, I have selected yellow color. Similarly, you can change the line type. I am selecting zigzag. So here you can check other properties and options in this way. Okay guys, now I am going to draw a circle. To draw a circle, simply type C on keyboard and press enter, and go at bottom in command line, specify the center point of circle. Click on a one point. Here you can see as I'm moving from my first click point, a circle is showing around it. Now I'm going to click on another point. Here I have draw a circle. Now the second way to draw circle, go at draw. Here you will see option of circle. Click center radius, and now click on a point and the second point. In this way you can draw a circle. The third method, go in this draw menu, click on circle, select the center point and end point. In this way you can draw a circle. Now if you want to draw a circle with a specific radius length or diameter length, simply I am going to take a circle command, C enter, press a center point. Now here bottom you can see in command line, specify the radius of circle or diameter. So if you put a length, if you give a length directly to it, like I am giving it 10, press enter, type 10 and press enter, it will give you a circle which is having radius of 10 feet. Or if you want to draw a circle with a 20 feet diameter, so take command C enter, select the center point. Now at the bottom you can see it is asking specify the radius of circle or diameter. For diameter you simply you simply type D and press enter. Now it is asking you to give the length of diameter, which I already told you I will take the 20. Type 20 and press enter. Now you can see I have draw a circle with the diameter of 20. Now if you want to measure the dimensions, go at the top in dimension, open the dimension menu. Here you will see the option of radius. Click on radius. Now click on circle. Here you can see that if you zoom it out, it has a radius of 10. Now if you want to measure the diameter, again go to the dimension. Here you will see option of diameter. Click on diameter, and now go and select the circle. I have selected the circle and click it on. Here you can see that the diameter is 20 feet, which I have selected. So guys, this is the way that you can draw a circle or rectangular with your specified length, and I told you how to measure these lengths. Again guys, if you have confusion making drawings, if you want to choose the unit of drawing, your drawing is feet. Sometimes the units are different, so if you want units in your requirements, simply type UNITS and press enter. In units column you will see, select the decimal, precision as a 0, and here below you can see insertion scale, units to be scaled inserted content. Here I have selected the feet. Here are more options: inches, feet, millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, but we are concerned, or we want to draw a drawing in feet, so I have selected the feet. Select the feet and press OK. Now every line drawing, every circle, rectangular, yeah, any type of shape which you will draw and you give it a dimension, it will be in feet. So guys, this is a little about the circle command, rectangular command, and how to set the units. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video for more videos and updates. Thanks.